Okay, if you were sitting across from the board treasurer or any board member right now and they have 5 minutes to review their monthly financials, what do they look at first?
Absolutely. So we've got a download for this very topic because board members are busy people, and if you've got your own life outside of being a board member, and if you only have a couple of minutes before the meeting because life was busy this before your board meeting, you there's a few reports to look at first. And number one is going to be your balance sheet. So on there, that's a snapshot of the association's financial picture at a given time, usually the end of the month. And you're going to look for how much money do we have in the operating account. You're also going to look and see what I said before, where you can view the accounts payable or the bills that have stacked up and have not been paid. So you can say, okay, I've got this much cash in the bank, this many bills that haven't been paid yet that I've got to deal with. And then also you're going to look at how much money do we have saved versus, what types of capital improvements or replacement projects we have coming down the road, whether that's from a reserve report or from just estimates that you have. So has that has that dollar amount in the operating account and the reserve accounts gone up over the last 30 days from your last look at the financial reports, and has the payables or the bills that are outstanding, do those have to go down? So that's the first one, the balance sheet. The second one is your age delinquency. So you're going to look and see how many how much money is owed to the association by homeowners that are late. And usually this is going to have buckets, 30 days late, 60 days late, 90 days late. You're going to take action usually in the 30 days and then also at the 60 days late. So you are going to look at this age delinquency report as a board, and that's going to inform you how you're going to follow through on your collection policy that you should have, which tells you, okay, when an owner is delinquent 30 days, this is what happens. When they're delinquent 60 days, this is what happens. So then you know what course of action you have to take based on your collection policy. And the third thing is your income and expense statement. So you're going to take a look at your income and you're going to look at the expenses, and it should be somewhat positive at the bottom, what's left over. So you have money coming in versus money going out, just like a home budget. And then you want to have a little bit of money left over at the bottom. That money should probably be going to, either be saved for a big insurance expense in a couple of months or go towards, like reserves or something like that. But that's sort of the top three you're going to want to take a look at. And if you're over budget and you're spending more money, that's going to inform the board. Well, we should take a look at why we're over, like how come we're not running with a positive balance at the end of the month. How come we're have a negative balance where we're not saving any money, and why is that? And is that going to change going forward, or do we need to do a special assessment or change our budget?